guys today. Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Battle Cats. And I just barely started. I don't know how many levels I done because I've playing a long time, but I know that I have done like one level or something like that. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna be making a Battle Cat series. Probably and make videos of that, but then probably clicked it because the main videos probably clicked it and stuff. Okay, let's play some Battle Cats. Told you I haven't done a lot of levels because I don't know. I barely got 10 cats. You know, he's got the cat, duh. He's a cat. Oh, God man is here. Check on maybe one. It's okay. Tell me what he wants. Today we're gonna do the thing. I was planning to do this on a different level. I'm joining on this level. I'm not able to take it anymore. I'm going to go Look, the cats are like, come on, down, like, they're kind of like, Thanks, Gary. Sorry, guys. It's funny because I want to beat these levels fast. But also get some concept for me, so yeah. Just upgrade that a little bit. You know? Channel. Wow. Come on. So I might be playing some dancing now. Might be starting a Roblox with Braun series. On the front, I might do like what games do you want me to play? Videos, I will be cut the back videos. might just use like a different recording thing because I want to do face cam in the background. But I don't know how, so yeah.